So we just got here and look at all this sand, and it got all on the bed. All that sand right there too, and it got all on the bed. And let's see, it's all on. This window is not. It doesn't hold any of the sand out. It just continues to. Look at all that. Look at all that sand that just blew in through the window. I don't know what this is. Something's broken. The lining or something is. Oh, the window is broke. Look, guys. Look. It's literally off the thing. I don't know if you could tell. Right there. Okay, let me see. Okay, so this, and then the window is off. The window is literally off. It's open. All right, I'm gonna have to put a report in. It had to have been loose in the first place because there's always sand blowing in here. That's a lot of sand too. That's a lot of sand. All right. You see it off? It's literally off. The window is like open. It could fall in. It looks like it could fall in at any minute. Look how it's off. You can see right on outside. All right. I'll put a work order in and get that fixed.